Hey YouTube, this is Airsoftmaster731 with my airsoft collection. This is my first video, so bear with me. That is my old paintball vest that I now use for airsoft. Yeah. Got my BBs, 5,000 20 gram and 2,000 25 gram. My mask and glasses. My vest. I like the vest. It works well. Binoculars. Carry them around, especially when I'm sniping. They work well. Pistol. It's the iron sights. Got the safety on. Safety. This is a Ruger 15 round magazine. FPS 280. It's not M4 stubby. This was actually my first airsoft gun. I liked it, so you know. It's got the dust protector on it. Put that back on. FPS 380, I think. You know, it's got full semi and safety. 1,000 round Hackett magazine. Had to buy that separately. Has the thing on it, you know. I do really like the iron sights on this gun. And my sniper rifle, which I do really hate, has no magazine. Bolt action, no magazine, doesn't work very well. Electric, no magazine, works terrible. I have to manually reload it. FPS 430. You know, but I will be doing updates on my arsenal as I get more guns and everything. And see ya.